At yun na nga guys, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So ito ay bigla ang vlog lang guys. It's around 10 o'clock na ng gabi. Kakarating ko lang ng bahay from work at kakapanood ko lang sa balita. Ito guys ay good news. So na-approve na ng Italian government ang direct hire. So sa mga may gustong magtrabaho dito sa Italia, abang-abang kayo dahil nangangailangan sila ng halos more or less 500,000 workers. Seasonal, non-seasonal, kasama ang badante o caregiver, domestic, babysitter, etc. Ganyan guys. So nangangailangan sila ng 500,000 more or less workers within 3 years hanggang 2028. So good news ito sa mga may gustong pumunta dito ng Italy. So abang-abang kayo kung kailan yung click day. At importante guys is makahanap kayo ng employer para yun ang mag-request papunta dito sa inyo. At yun, magtanong-tanong na kayo sa mga kakilala nyo dito, baka pwede nila kayong matulungan sa mga may mga kamag-anak dyan dito sa Italy. Ito na yung paraan para makapunta kayo dito. So guys, babasahin ko sa inyo ang article na nakapublish, but ito ay naka-Italian, so ginugil ko lang translate para maging English. So tara at samahan nyo ako para basahin yung good news para ito sa inyo. So the government has approved a new flow decree, kung sa English guys, but in Italian it's Decreto Flussi. So it provides a regulations for almost 500,000 new foreign workers in the next 3 years. But the controversial click day system remains for now. So guys, yung tinatawag na click day, yan yung araw kung saan magsasubmit yung mga employer ng kanilang request ng pangalan ng tao, magsasubmit sila ng kanilang mga requirements. Yan yung click day. So controversial pa siya. Hindi pa alam kung kailan. So i-announce naman yan ng Italian government. But guys, kung may bala kayong pumunta dito, make it sure na makahanap kayo ng employer na magre-request sa inyo. Yan yung lang yung paraan para makapasok kayo dito sa tinatawag na Decreto Flussi or direct hire. Okay guys, let's continue. The Council of Ministers has approved the government's new flu decree or Decreto Flussi. That is the measure with which the government in office annually decides how many workers to bring in Italy with a regular residence permit. By category, the decree provides for just under 500,000 new people in 3 years. 497,550 to be precise, of which 164,850 for 2026. So yun yung kailangan nila guys next year. To fill positions as seasonal and non-seasonal workers, housekeeper, and carers. So yung carers yan yung mga caregivers. These numbers are in the line with those of the previous 3 years period between 2023 and 2026. Approximately 450,000 foreign workers had been regularized. So guys, from 2023 to 2026, ito yung na-hire ng Italian sa pamamagitan ng Decreto Flussi, ang 450,000 workers. Although the FLU's decrease or Decreto Flussi is often defined as the current government as the best way to regularly bring new foreign workers to Italy. So ito lang talaga yung pamamaraan para mag-direct hire dito sa Italy, yung Decreto Flussi. Also allowing for planning to choose which professions to prioritize based on the needs of the companies. In reality, it has been known for years that this system has several things that are wrong, apparently left unresolved even in this decree. So guys, siguro na notice ng Italian government na may mga problems sa Decreto Flussi. Kasi guys, ito yan. It is known that very often through the decree, foreign workers already present in Italy and who until now had worked irregularly are regularized. Yun, pasensyahan nyo na. Cases of fraud are also very common with which foreign workers are regularized for fictitious jobs. Often in fictitious jobs, fictitious companies only to end up involved in organized crime. So, kasi dito guys may nasisilip yung mga government. Kasi nga yung iba na nandito na sa Italy na nag-a-apply ng Decreto Flussi. So, kahit nandito sila, nag-a-apply pa rin sila yung mga, in short, yung mga nagtiti-inti dito. At yun, pag na-approve yung Decreto Flussi nila, uuwi sila sa Pinas. Ganyan yung, kasi ganyan yung mga style ng iba guys na walang documents dito, na pag may Decreto Flussi, naghanap sila ng employer para i-hire sila. pag na-approve na yung permit nila or nulaos na, umuwi sila ng Pilipinas or kahit saang bansa man sila para doon i-process. Kunyari, nakahanap sila ng employer para mag-direct hire sa kanila pabalik or papunta dito ng Italy. So parang nahalata yan ng Italian government. So even when you manage to get your application accepted, there is no automatic mechanism by which it will turn into residence permit for worker. According to the data from the Ministry of Interior, in the last 2 years, only 6% of all accepted requests have been ended with issuing of residence permit. There are various reasons: complicated bureaucracy and administrative delays. The company that has changed its mind in the meantime of the worker who has fallen victim to scam. Kasi nga guys, ito maraming minsan nag-i-scam dito. Mag-ingat din kayo kasi nakaraan may Filipino scammer na naglabas ang Philippine Embassy dito sa Italy na mag-ingat kasi marami silang naging biktima diyan sa Pilipinas, parang nasinit hearing ngayon. So kaya mag-ingat kayo kung may bala kayong pumunta dito sa pamamagitan ng Decreto Flussi, iskelatisin nyo ng mabuti at para hindi kayo mabiktima ng scam. Importante guys is makahanap talaga kayo ng employer para mag-hire sa inyo at i-apply kayo ng Decreto Flussi. Yan lang talaga yung paraan, hindi yung may magbabayad kayo. Kasi sa totoo lang wala naman kayo babayaran nito kasi ang gagastos ang inyong employer. So nakaraan siguro nakita nyo yun sa balita na may mga Pilipinong nang scam at na-scam dyan sa Pilipinas. Basta na sinit hearing yun, hanapin nyo lang. Hindi ko na guys hanapin. Yun. Continue. The Council of Ministers press release also talks about the downsizing of so-called click days. So guys, yung tinatawag na click days dito a-apply yung employer. So may mga nakatakdang araw yan kung kailan. So ito nga sabi dito, minsan may problema. These are the days in which employees' requests for foreign workers are open. So ito na nga guys, and they are processed in order in which the application are presented. In practice, the one who clicks the fastest gets first according to the logic and pair blah blah blah. So ito na guys, di ko na babasahin lahat. So ito guys yung click day. Ito ang ginagawa ng employer para makapag-apply na kukunin niya yung isang tao para papunta dito sa Italy. So dapat yung employer mabilis sa click day kasi pag nagtakda ang Italian government na ganitong araw lamang yung click day, so dapat makapag-apply siya kasi pag hindi siya nakapasok doon is wala na talagang chance na maka-continue siya ng processing para mag-request ng employee para makapunta dito sa Italy. So in order for the Decreto Flussi, which specifically is a decree of the President of the Council of the Minister, DPCM, to come into force, it must be sent to Parliament for opinions of the competent committees. Then, to the State Regions Conference, the one which representatives of the government and the regions express their opinions on matters of shared interest, and then the return to the Council of Ministers for final approval. So, yun guys, ang article news. So, naka-print screen naman yan. Basahin nyo na lang. At guys, ito ang ma-advise ko lang sa inyo. Make it sure na makahanap talaga kayo ng employer para makapunta dito. Mag-ingat kayo sa scam kasi guys, sa panahong ito, pag lalo na ito, na-announce na, marami na namang yang mang-i-scam. So, as what I have said from before, na may na-scam ng mga Filipino from last year na Decreto Flussi. So, halos 300,000 yata binayaran nila per head. At yung agency na yun is dito pa ngayon galing sa Milan. So, maraming nag-apply but parang walang employer. Basta guys, hindi ko na alam ang detail ng kaso na yun. Nagbigay na ng warning yung Philippine Embassy dito at na-hearing yun sa Senate. Si Tulfo pa yata ang nag-handle nun. So, kaya guys, ingat-ingat at dito na magtatapos yung vlog ko na ito guys, mabilisan lang. At kung ako sa inyo, simulan nyo na maghanap ng Italian employer. Yun nga, kung may mga kakilala kayo dito, kaibigan, na pwede kayong tulungan is sabihan nyo na sila para matulungan na kayo para makapaghanap ng employer para sa direct hire ngayong taon. So guys, good luck. Ito ay mabilisang vlog lang at pagpasensyahan nyo na medyo mapula yung mata ko kasi inaatake ako ng allergy ko ngayon. Yan. At guys, good luck again and I hope na nakatulong ito sa inyo kahit papano yung vlog ko na to. At kung balak nyo mag-apply, ito na ang paraan para makapunta kayo dito sa Italia at approve na ang direct hire or Decreto Flussi for this year. So guys, kaka-announce lang talaga ngayong araw to. Today is June 30, 2025. So guys, hanggang dito na lang. So huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. So kita-kits tayo sa susunod. Good luck guys! And guys, thank you for watching. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down.